Refuge after the controlled burn 2026. Birds quickly return to controlled burn areas and refuges to take advantage of increased feeding opportunities, such as exposed seeds and insects. Raptors, black vultures, and water-wader birds are frequently attracted to recently burned areas, seeking high-calorie meals or insects that were exposed by the flames. While birds are displaced during the fire, they are rarely killed by the flames. Many return to the burn site within weeks as new vegetation begins to grow. The Savannah National Wildlife Refuge encompasses over 30,000 acres of freshwater marsh and forest. It serves as a crucial sanctuary for migratory birds and waterfowl, featuring tidal marshes, hardwood forests, and managed freshwater impoundments along the Savannah River. Flocks of birds take off. They have a large area to explore. An ibis colony takes flight to explore the refuge. Birds circle the newly burned refuge while scanning for food, such as insects or rodents exposed to the fire. This behavior, known as kettling, allows birds to hover efficiently above the burned landscape. When a controlled burn cools down, birds often return quickly to take advantage of the altered landscape. Rather than being permanently driven away, many bird species are attracted to recently burned areas to forage for food. After controlled burns, vultures capitalize on the aftermath by acting as a cleanup crew, scanning the scorched landscape for animals killed by the fire. A flock of migrating greater yellowlegs swept through the refuge marsh and wetlands, foraging for aquatic invertebrates. Refuge after the controlled burn 2026. Birds quickly return to controlled burn areas and refuges to take advantage of increased feeding opportunities, such as exposed seeds and insects.